Eric, can you help clear up some confusion that customers have as it relates to fire dampers, fire damper actuators, and codes? A lot of the customers think that when they come across a defective fire actuator, that they've got to replace the entire damper actuator as an assembly to meet codes.
Right, that's a common misconception we hear all the time, Dave, and really what it comes down to is you need a product that is UL 555S rated, and that is what all the Belimo Fire Smoke products are rated. And at that point, it comes down to local jurisdiction. The local fire marshal, you can work with him to find out what the local code requires, and in most cases, and if not all cases, a Belimo actuator would be an acceptable replacement.
The contractor can install that in the field.
Absolutely. And Belimo, as well as AlpsControls.com, has numerous individuals that can help them sort through those various codes and lead them to the right person to find out exactly what is required based on local codes. So,
is there do fire actuators need replaced? Is the code require replacement over a period of time, or just when the actuator fails?
No, when the actuator fails is the only time.
Does the code require the contractor to replace an existing branded actuator with the same brand?
No, the actuator, as long as it is UL 555S rated, is acceptable. Some of the reasons you would want to use a Belimo actuator over replacing it with what is already there is, we have the cold weld clamp, which is a common design of all Belimo actuators.
What is the cold weld clamp?
The cold weld clamp is a robust design that handles higher temperature swings, higher torque loads, and as well has the groove teeth to adhere to the shaft so you don't have slippage. Also have the design that allows you to switch the actuator from counterclockwise direction to clockwise spring direction without having to buy two separate models, just by reversing that and popping the clamp off. And in addition to that, we have a 5-year warranty.
How competitive is Belimo in the marketplace with this actuator?
We are competitive, but Dave, by no means are we going to be the least expensive solution on the market. But you are getting what you pay for, and especially with a life safety device, that's not someplace that you want to start skimping on dollars. The design, again, like I had mentioned, of being able to change the spring action of the actuator without having to buy a separate model or replace an entire model to do that, just by flipping the actuator over and adjusting the clamp. Those are just a few of the features that allow us to be a better solution in the marketplace than our competitors. Hit the Manufacturers tab on the AlpsControls.com homepage and search for Belimo in the alphabetical listings. Then click on the Fire Smoke Rated Actuators subcategory link.